When choosing the right software, ROI is going to be part of the conversation. Typical ROI elements will often focus around time savings and money saved. Saving time for managers is usually a very interesting concept because management will be busy all the time. Saving time for mechanics is a different story altogether because it directly measures your productivity. Mechanics are the core of your operations and they're very expensive typically. Lots of software out there will claim to give you the relevant reports that you need to run your company, combined with colorful charts and graphs and trend analysis so that you can understand how your money is being spent. At the end of the day, in your selection process, however, you should pay close attention to what the techs have to do in their jobs for that information to get into the software. We do not want techs to spend time typing on a computer. Techs are expensive and essential employees of our shop operations. We want them to focus on their work, not on entering data. So the great thing about ROI is that so much of it is measurable. However, some of it can significantly impact your business and your cash flows. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit our website. We would be happy to help.